To customize a pair of Air Force Ones, you're going to need paint brushes, black paint, a solid color of paint, white paint, tape, acetone or nail polish remover, a finisher, cotton balls or paper towels, and an Exacto knife.
Oh, you have the strangest way of loving someone, and it feels like it's all over before it has begun. Oh, but when we do collide, we're playing no games. Don't you know that kind of love must go down in flames? Oh, we should really leave this one alone, but it keeps coming back, coming back, coming back. Two lovers on the floor, a band-aid on the store. Two lovers, one more. It's such a hopeless situation, but we do it again. Oh, we do it again. Say what normal people do. We're out for no light to light switch. You treat me like a punching bag.
Now I'm going to paint these edges I'm pointing to off camera, and the only reason I'm doing it off camera is because I have to take my time and be very precise. Here's how the edges came out.
Love is a blind man who must be set free. Two lovers on the floor, a band-aid on the store. Two lovers, one more. It's such a hopeless situation, but we do it again. Two lovers on the floor, a band-aid on the store. Two lovers, one more. Oh, it's such a hopeless situation, but we do it again. We should leave this one alone, but it keeps coming back, coming back, coming back. Oh, we should really leave this one alone, but it keeps coming back, coming back, coming back. Two lovers on the floor, you better wake me up, blood ain't on the sword. We gotta rip it off. Two lovers, one more. You better shake me up, band-aid on the sword.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, consider sharing the video with friends, family, and anyone else, as well as hit that like button down below so I know to create more content like this, and also comment down below what you want to see next. See you in the next one.